Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you guys how to add a countdown timer to your website, to your Big Cartel website. So this is specifically perfect for people who are launching new items and they want to, get it hyped up, like get people excited every time they come to your website. They see the countdown coming and they're like, oh, she got something new coming in this amount of days. So they'll go back to your Instagram or something, follow you so that they can see what product you're launching soon. So the way we're going to do that first is when you go to your Big Cartel account where you add your products, all that good stuff. Pretty sure you guys know how to customize. If you have a website, you go to customize design and it brings you to this page. So what you guys want to do is go to these little arrows right here and then go to home. And even if you don't want to just paste it in home, you can also paste it in, let me actually show you guys. You can also paste it in layout. So no matter what page they go to, they can go to the products, the countdown will still be there. But I just want it to be on my home page. So you want to click the full screen button, and the place that we're going to be pasting the countdown link is at the very top of the page. So I just clicked enter to bring this down so that I can paste it right at the top right here, you guys. So it's not going to be at the very top of our page, but it'll be somewhere around here. So what y'all want to do is go to this site right here, which is a plugin site. I love them. I use it for my review page, which I think I did a video on how to do that. My customer service page that's on my website. So right here, if you guys have Facebook, you can begin a chat and it'll go to my phone and I'll know if you guys need help or something while you're on my website, and I can communicate with y'all. So anyways, you want to go to this Power website, which is just amazing for small businesses. And we're going to create a new app. And sorry y'all for my voice, I don't really talk too much. So when I get to talking a lot, back to back like this, my throat gets dry and it's just hard for me to talk. And I get out of breath. But anyway, we're going to click Get App. And then what we're going to do is just customize it a little bit. And sometimes I just like to paste it right to my website. So what you're going to do is click Publish if you just want to paste it straight to your website. And then to paste it on your website, you want to copy the code and then go back to your design page. And like I said, we're going to paste it at the top of the page. We're going to click Control V to paste, or however y'all paste your stuff. And we're going to click Done. And after you click Done, you have to make sure you click Save, because if you don't save, you'll just waste all your time. So it should load and pop up. There we go. So it's right under here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to customize it while I'm on my website so I can see how it looks, while I'm still customizing it. So we're going to edit on live site. And actually, I think I can also edit on my actual website instead of editing on the Big Cartel design page. So stay with me, you guys. Do not do anything yet. Just wait for me to start so none of y'all get confused. So I just reloaded my page to see if I can. All right, see? So it's on my website. Whoever's looking at my website now is just seeing this. So if you guys don't want to do that, you can just edit on this page. So it's not on your website yet, but I like doing this so I can see exactly how it looks on my website. So we're going to edit on live site right now. And I'm just going to move this to the side. And you can also edit in draft mode if you don't want it to be on your live website. In draft mode, you can save it later. So what y'all want to click first to start, customizing is, the purpose of this is countdown to date. So I already clicked it. I already know what I'm going to do. And we're going to click next. So the date that I want the countdown to end on is, let's say, November 5th. November 5th. Or we can say, actually, let's say November 3rd. If y'all have not voted yet, go vote. Okay? So let's say it's going to end on the time. We're going to choose, what is 11? I'm trying to get to 11 o'clock. I don't know why the military time is up here. 9:30? No. I need 11:59. I don't know why they got this military time on here. Okay, we're going to change it to 59. So at before midnight, that's when the time ends. You got this many days to vote, y'all. You have not voted, make sure you guys vote. All right? So now that we did that, cool. Now we're going to click the counter labels, which is this. And since this is the free plan, a lot of these are not available to us to change. So automatically the year is going to be on there. If you chose a year, like let's say if I put November 3rd, 2021, it'll show in 1 year this, that, you know? So that's automatically on there. If you don't want the seconds on there, you can remove the seconds just by clicking that. So it'll just show the days, and I'm gonna just keep the seconds on there. All right, so now this second portion is going to change the little dividers, the colon dividers. So I like the dash, I don't like the colon. I'm gonna just click the dash so it changes to dash. And then the years label, it just says, it would say year right here, days, hours, minutes, whatever. So you really don't have to do nothing else on that part. And then messaging during the countdown. So I'm gonna change coming soon to go vote. And yeah. Anyways, so this is the fun part where you get to change the colors around and things like that. So this is the layout of the banner. So for fixed banner, it'll stay at the top right here. Just like when you're scrolling, it'll just stay. Like, I don't like that, you know? It just stays on top of everything. Like, I don't like how that looks. So I'm going to edit on live site again. So like I said, I don't like that layout. So I'm going to just keep it as the default position. So it just stays right there at the part that it's at. It just stays right here. So for the animation, that's just how the little numbers change. So as you can see, it's sliding up. It's actually sliding up. I don't know why it's saying it's sliding down. But this way, it just changes like that. So I like this better. So I'm going to just keep it as countdown. And next, what you want to do is customize your font. So this is the color that it's on right now. I'm going to change it to black. Just so it's in there in your face, bolded in black. Go vote. So now I'm about to change the go vote font. Everything in black. Like that's in black now. This is in black, and now we're finally gonna change the go vote because that's the title. I kept thinking I was changing that color, but I wasn't. So yeah, that's kind of embarrassing. But we're gonna go past that like we didn't even just, y'all did not notice that. So for the font, I'm gonna keep it as Impact. You guys can change it. They have few font styles that you guys can choose from. You can also search some from Google if you don't like the ones that they have. We're gonna click done. I'm pretty much making everything just simple for y'all. You know, when you go play around on it, you'll see, you know, how it changes, whatever. So this is the size. This is the font size. As you can see, it just got smaller a little bit. This is the counter spacing. I don't know what that does. Okay, so that just makes the whole like thing go in more. This is the counter size. So that just got small. We're gonna make that huge. Go vote. Alright, y'all. Done. Background and border. So the background color is on white right now. And I'm going to change it to this color. I like that color. Okay, and they also have like an ombre option. Like you see, it's like gray at the top and black at the bottom. Let's see what we can do. So blue at the top and black at the bottom. I don't like the ombre, so I'm gonna just stick with what I had before. Yeah. So everything is pretty much good. I don't really want to change anything else. I'm gonna just go through and explain what the rest of it does. So this is the border size. That's what the border is gonna look like. I don't know if y'all can see the gray. I actually like the gray over there, so I'm gonna make the border a little bit small. This is just the roundness to make the corners a little bit more round. If you like the circle vibe, I don't like that. I'm gonna just keep it as a square. And then the plug-in background color, which I can show you what it'll look like. So that whole section would turn a different color, and I don't like that, so I'm gonna just keep it as white. And okay, done. Advanced, you can't really do nothing with this because it's not in the free plan. And yeah, that is about it. Oops, clicked the wrong thing. But yeah, that's about it. It completely changed on my website. I'm gonna go to my phone and it should be there automatically. Let me turn the brightness up. So it should be there. There we go. So that's what it looks like, y'all, on my website. So yeah, that is it for this video, y'all. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, comment what other tutorials you guys want to see, and what other videos in general y'all want to see. And before I leave, make sure you guys go check out my website. Go shop the things that I launched, specifically the sale, the things that are on sale. All of these are on sale. I marked down the prices, especially this is a cute bundle. You get all 3 of these for $7. So yeah, all of these are on sale. Even this shimmer spray is on sale. There's only one left of this lip coloring, only one sugar scrub left. So it's only like a few of everything left. So yeah, these are all my lip glosses in stock, by the way, y'all. Minus the Halloween collection, the Halloween bundle, which I still have 4 of them left. So I know Halloween is pretty much over, but if y'all still want to get them, I might sell them separately because some people been saying that. I don't think people really like the bundles, but yeah, I'll probably sell it separately. But yeah, that is it for this video. If you guys have not voted yet, make sure you guys vote. I don't know if I have some Trump supporters on my videos. Hopefully not. I'm sorry, I'm not a Trump supporter. I don't like Trump supporters. I don't like Trump. I'ma just be honest, I hate him. So if you vote for him, unfollow me, unsubscribe, all that good stuff, because we don't do Trump over here on this page. But yeah, that is about it. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, go like my posts. And yeah, make sure you guys do all that. Show the love. I helped you guys out. Help me out. Alright? Bye, y'all.